Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's code is P0113, which means your car's engine computer is getting a weird signal from the intake air temperature sensor IAT. Don't worry, this is a common fix, and we'll tackle it in a few simple steps. Error code P0113 is indicative of an issue with your vehicle's intake air temperature sensor. Some vehicles have an air intake temperature sensor, or IAT sensor. This will either be mounted inside the air filter duct housing or built into the mass airflow sensor MAF. Check engine light illuminated. DACM will go into a fail-safe mode. Engine may not start as usual. Engine may have pre-ignition problems from lean burn conditions. Air or fuel mixture is too lean or rich, idling poorly when cold. Poor fuel economy, increased emissions. OBD-II scanner. Most auto parts stores sell them. Multimeter optional, but helpful. Rags. Replacement air filter depending on diagnosis. Replacement IAT sensor depending on diagnosis. Socket wrench set depending on your car. Repair manual. Consult your car-specific manual for location of parts. Check the code. First, use your OBD-II scanner to verify the P0113 code. You can also reset the code here, but it might come back if the problem isn't fixed. Examine the IAT sensor. Find the IAT sensor using your repair manual. It's usually located near the air filter or intake manifold. Look for any corrosion or damage on the sensor or its connector. You can also try cleaning the sensor gently with a rag. If you have a multimeter, you can test the sensor's resistance according to your car's manual. Out-of-spec readings might indicate a faulty sensor. If the sensor is damaged or faulty, you'll need to replace it. Consult your repair manual for specific removal and installation instructions. Inspect the air filter. A clogged air filter can cause inaccurate readings from the IAT sensor. Pop open the air filter box and check for dirt and debris. If the problem was a dirty air filter, replacing it should solve the issue. After the fix, clear the trouble code from your OBD-II scanner and start the engine. Check if the problem is resolved and the check engine light stays off. Important safety note: always remember to disconnect the battery before working on any electrical components in your car. This helps to prevent accidental shocks or short circuits. Always consult your car manual before starting any repairs. By following these steps, you should be able to diagnose and fix the P0113 code yourself. Remember, consult your car's manual for specific locations and procedures. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, take your car to a mechanic. Thanks for joining me today. If you had any questions about P0113 or car repairs in general, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips.